Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel TechNet Guide. Friends, in this video I am going to tell you what is DNS server and how it's work. DNS server used to map domain name into IP address and IP address into domain name. Domain name, host name will not communicate in network without an IP address. So suppose you can see example.com, yahoo.com, google.com, example.com, yahoo.com and google.com. These domain name must be hosted on server. Each server has a specific IP address which is used to communicate over network. Over internet, every server has a unique IP address. So let me show you how it's work. So friend, there is a question: why use hostname instead of IP address? Because IP address is difficult to remember of the every server, and host name like yahoo.com, example.com, google.com, it's easy to remember. Okay, so friend, let me show you. If we use IP address instead of host name, domain name, so DNS server will not be required. So it will directly reach to, you can see it will directly reach to the server. DNS server not required in this case. If we use host name instead of IP address, so this PC doesn't know about IP address of this example.com. Okay, because every PC connected with the IP address. Okay, you can see every device in network should have IP address to communicate with each other. Now when PC ask, okay, now it will ask what is IP address of the example.com. This DNS server also known as recursive server and DNS resolver. Okay, now when it's ask IP address of the example.com, it will check in their cache memory. This DNS resolver will check in the cache memory. Okay, now it's checking in the cache memory. Cache, if example.com will not found here, it will show not found in cache. Okay, now example.com not found in the cache of the DNS server. Now friends, let me tell you next step what will happen here if it's not found in cache. Okay, so let me go to show you again here what happened. What is IP of example.com? It will go, it's checking in cache and not found in cache. Now DNS resolver will go to the root server. Now DNS resolver will ask query with the root server. Okay, what is IP address of the example.com? Now root server will check in their database. Now root server will have the information of the top level domain. Top level domain also called TLD, like .com, .net, .org, .in, .us. Okay, so you can see .com. So our example.com is TLD is .com. Okay, top level domain is .com. So it will, so root server has all the information of the TLD. So it will tell to the DNS resolver. Okay, it will tell DNS resolver IP address of the .com TLD. Okay, .com TLD, it will go say to DNS resolver. Now we have IP address of the top level domain. Okay, .com, .net, .org. Okay, so you can see our top level domain .com, .net, .org has a specific IP address. Now DNS server has information of the .com TLD, IP address of the .com TLD. Okay, now it will ask query with the .com. Okay, now what is the example IP address of the example.com? Okay, now it will ask what is the IP address of the example.com with the .com TLD. Okay, now .com TLD will reply to the DNS resolver authority name server, IP address of the authority name server. Okay, it will send to the DNS resolver IP address of the authority name server. Now friends, DNS server has information of the authority name server. Okay, now it will go to the authority name server, like what is the IP address of example.com. Okay. Now what is IP address of example.com? Now authority name server has information of the will have information of the example.com. So it will tell example.com IP address to the DNS resolver. Now it will tell example.com IP address to the DNS resolver. Okay. Now DNS resolver has information of the example.com IP address. Now it will tell to the host machine. Now it will tell host machine IP address of the example.com. Okay. So IP address of the example.com 10.2.4.1. Now host machine will request to the example.com server, will reach to the example.com server. Now example.com server will reply on web page, reply with the query like. Okay. So you can see communication started between host machine to example.com. Now friends, let me cover up all in one scene here. Okay. So when in first step user type here example.com. Okay. Now this PC will ask to the DNS resolver what is IP address of the example.com. What is IP address of the example.com? Then this DNS resolver will ask with the root server what is IP address of the example.com. So it will check, okay, this is a .com TLD. Okay, top level domain is .com. So it will check in their database what is the IP address is the .com IP address. So it will tell IP address of the .com to the DNS resolver. Okay, IP address of the .com like 2.2.2.4. Okay. Now it will ask query to the .com. What is IP address of the example.com? Now it .com TLD has information of the authority name server. Okay. It said now it will tell IP authority name server IP address to the DNS server. Okay. It will tell authority name server IP address to the DNS resolver. Now DNS resolver will ask again with authority name server what is the IP address of example.com. Now it will tell yes, I have information of the example.com IP address. So it will tell the DNS resolver this is the IP address of the example.com. Then it will tell to the host machine yes, this is the IP address is the example.com. Now it will go to the example.com and example.com will reply their query on web browser. Okay. So friend, this is the DNS server purpose. So what does DNS server do? Why it's required here in network? So friends, in this video we have learned what is DNS server and how it's work here. So thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.